Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story upload failed retry. The first thing that I would recommend you do is simply come out of the app, and if you're on an Android or iPhone device, the steps remain the same. You want to go into airplane mode, so you would simply tap on airplane mode. And you would also disable Wi-Fi, ensure that Wi-Fi and data is disabled. After you have done that, you would simply open the Instagram app again, and you'll tap on Instagram story, and there you'll see the option to delete the Instagram story. And after you have deleted the Instagram story, you would come back into airplane mode and disable airplane mode. And once your device is connected again to the internet, you would try to upload the story again. Hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if after doing that it still doesn't work, the other thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings. And if you're on an iPhone, you'll scroll down and select general. Then from here you would select iPhone storage, and you want to select Instagram. And you will tap on offload app, and then after your app has been offloaded, you'll come back and tap on reinstall app. By doing that, you will simply clear the storage on your Instagram, and that's it. If you're on an Android device, you would go into apps and search for Instagram and tap on clear cache and data, and then go into Instagram again. Hope this video was helpful.